Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials: your recovery code, device, and connection. Once done, open accounts. Google, Com, and select Sign In. Enter your email address, then choose Try Another Way until you see the recovery code option. Type the full code exactly, including any dashes or capitalization if shown. Make sure to paste instead of typing to avoid mistakes. If the code validates, Google will move you to the next verification step. This confirms you control the account and saves time. Once you paste and verify the recovery code, follow the on-screen verification prompts. They may ask for additional info like a recovery phone or email. You should complete any two-step prompts presented because Google uses layered checks to confirm identity. After verification, you will be guided to set a new password and review recent activity. Do this now to lock out unauthorized access. Make sure to update your recovery phone and secondary email before finishing. These choices reduce future. You finish by confirming the new password and signing back into all devices and apps. Once complete, enable two-step verification and save backup codes in a secure location. This prevents repeated recovery. If the recovery code is rejected, make sure there are no extra spaces, use a different browser, or try again from the original device and location. If problems persist, initiate Google's account recovery flow and provide recent account details. This alternative helps when the recovery code alone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.